Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna go over the website Nifty Gateway. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Nifty Gateway. You can access it by going to niftygateway.com. They do have a next NFT launching in 7 hours, 9 minutes and 26 seconds. So stay tuned for that. It is known as Anatomistic. Over here you can see all the recent drops that have been made on this platform so far. Some of the most popular NFT on their platform is Faces. We have Awkward Astronauts. So let's take a look at Faces, for example. Over here you can see it's created by 3LAU. It's a part of Iridescent Open Edition collection. It was released on March 12, 2021. The original is $333. The last sold was $225. The lowest ask is $289. Over here you can see more statistics for Faces. You can see their average sale price is $690. The secondary market volume is approximately 3 million. There have been 2,662 owners. The floor price is $289.99 and for sale is 5.83%. When you scroll through it, you can see all the details about the person who bought the NFT, the time at which the NFT was bought, and the price at which it was sold. So if you don't know, NFT meaning non-fungible token can be any art, Twitter posts, videos, images that is tokenized on a blockchain. When it comes to Nifty Gateway, it is NFT marketplace, but it is a custodial platform. That means the NFT on their platform is stored in a secured wallet, which is powered by Gemini's state-of-the-art custody technology. And that way they can enable the collectors out there to move their work on the platform. Basically, you can buy, sell, gift without any cost or hassle of gas fees. And unlike other platforms where if you lose access to your password, you cannot get back into your account, that is not the case with Nifty. Over here, you can always get access back into your account. So some of the great options is that you get to choose whether you want to pay with a debit card, credit card, Gemini balance, or prepaid Ethereum, all without you requiring to sign multiple transactions and calculating your gas fees. The no gas fees is also the second advantage of using this platform. You will save a lot on that. They do offer collector services that will help you get any sort of technical support to private sales, or if you want to buy for an institution, they facilitate that as well. When it comes to drops, they have curated drops and verified drops. So the curated drops are the ones that are sold directly from the creator. So you can buy them from here before they sell out, and eventually you don't have to purchase them from the secondary marketplace. Over here we do have a curated drop schedule. You can see the date, the time, and the artist as well. And on this section you can see all the collections listed over here, the count, the owners, the floor price, the sale price, the volume, and the highest offer the collection has received. Then we have verified drops. So verified drops are verified by Nifty Gateway so that they can be more certified as like an authentic NFT. You can buy them here before they sell out and purchase them after the drop on the secondary marketplace. And similarly, we have the drop schedule listed on this section. When you click marketplace, you will have more insight into different NFTs you can purchase on this platform. And we have a filter section over here where you can filter out the NFT based on whether you like a curated NFT or a verified NFT. If you need an NFT within a certain price range, you can do that as well. And also if you want to just see the NFTs on sale, you can just click the checkbox, and over here you'll see some of the options. Let's take a look at this one, for example. This is known as goblinpetstown.wtf. It was listed on May 23rd, 2022. You can also verify it on Etherscan. So we have this NFT, for example. You can see the edition name over here, the wallet address. So this is the wallet address by which this NFT is being owned at the moment. You can also see the type of the NFT. The original listing was $0, and if you want to buy right now, you can do that for $18.60. Over here we have the market statistics for this NFT. You can see the floor price, the sale price, and all of that fun details. So if you want to buy this NFT, you can just click buy now, and you have to integrate it with your MetaMask account, or you can create an account with Nifty Gateway and follow the prompts. When you click the activity section, you can see all the activities that took place in the past few hours. So for instance, we have astronaut bronze was sold for $120. So this NFT was like literally just sold a few seconds ago. So that's a good way to stay updated about what's happening in the community, the NFTs that are being sold, the NFT that are being listed. So that's a really good metrics to know. When you click the company section over here, you will learn a bit more about what Nifty Gateway is. It was found basically with the idea to make NFT accessible for everybody out there. They have teamed with one of the top artist brands to create a collection which is very high quality, which is exclusively available on this platform. If you want to become a creator and if you want to sell on this platform, you will click apply to create with us, and you can apply as an artist or a project creator. So let's say we want to work as an artist, so I will click I'm an artist, and then you will come to this form where you have to just fill out a few of the details. So I will click let's go. It's gonna ask your full name, your artist name, so I'll put that as Kate just for example. You have to provide your email address, we'll put that as that. And then it's gonna ask you how long have you been an artist for, so I'll put that as 1 to 3 years. What medium is your specialty, so I'll put that as 3D animation. I'll click OK. And what's your primary goal? So I want to partner with Nifty Gateway to elevate my brand. And then you have to provide social links to your portfolio. So let's put that as youtube.com. So this is just for like simply demonstration purpose only. And if you have released NFT on the other platforms, so I'll put that as no. If you have any specific project details that you want to put on this platform, you can type out the answer over here. And then you have to provide a video introducing yourself as an artist on this platform, and that way they can evaluate your work. And if everything's good, a representative will get back to you. And if they do like your work and if everything turns out well, you are fully eligible and welcome to sell your artwork on this platform. And this is their Twitter page. They do have a following of 255.5k members, so that's really good. Overall, Nifty Gateway is a great platform if you want to sell NFT without worrying about the login details, and also if you want to save a bit on gas fees. Definitely check it out. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.